Last class, we created a new VPC. We created a one subnet and we made it as a public. That's the first thing. What is the public? Public server or public subnet, how we going to make? That should be accessible from outside also, inside also. That means we should be able to connect the server. Please observe. We should be able to connect the server from our laptop to server. Our server is deployed in AWS network. Server should be able to connect to internet also. We are connecting a server from mobile system to our AWS instance is connecting via internet. Mobile system, because it's not inside the AWS network. Yes or no, sir? Second, server should be able to download any packages that make the public server. Yes, sir. What are the steps involved? How to make a subnet say public? We get a VPC, we get a subnet. First thing, we need to provide the internet connection to our VPC. For that, we created an internet gateway. We created an internet gateway. We attached the internet gateway. Please observe, Arun and friends. And we connected the internet, attached the internet gateway to the VPC. We created the complete building. Now we created a subnet. For subnet, I need to give a connection, internet connection. That is the purpose in route table. In route table, we added 0.000 and internet gateway attached. Yes, sir. Today we are going to create a private server. Today we are going to create a private server. What private server meaning is, sir? Private server should not be able to connect over the internet. That means for mobile XM, it should not be able to connect directly from the mobile. From internet, from mobile XM, it should not directly connect. Correct? That means, but server, that server should be able to connect to internet. Outside in the area server connected. Private server. Public server meaning input, output, both should work. Outside also should be able to connect. Server also should be able to connect to outside. When you come to private server, first action, server should not be able to connect from outside, but server should be able to connect to internet. Yes or no, sir? That server should be able to accessible only inside that network. Only inside that network and the meaning. Oh, VPC create ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ? Under the same VPC only we are going to create another subnet today. That we make it as a private. Last time for subnet the public ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ internet gateway attach ಆಗಿದೆ. This time we are not going to attach internet gateway to that route table, that subnet, new subnet. So it becomes private subnet. That means that server is not be able to connect from outside, then how to connect. The server should be able to connect only inside the network. Okay. Last class public server statement is correct. From that server, this server both in the same network. From that server, this server going to connect. For that only, I told to enable the passwordless authentication. Transfer the PIM key to the home directory of the public server. Yes, sir. Who all done this password authentication? Transfer PIM key, can you tell? Okay. Who are not done, I am not going to ask anything. Your wish. I can't help now. Again, 1 week time. Again, 1 week time. Nobody pinged me also regarding this issue. If you come to class after 1 week without trying anything, I am not the person going to help. If you at least pinged me, I could have helped. 1 week time, I pinged in chat. I pinged in Skype chat. I pinged in WhatsApp chat. We already done how to enable password authentication. How to transfer the PIM key, we know. Windows CP. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done step by step. Already done, sir. Right. Come back, sir. Abdana, please. Now, first we going to first first let's create a go to VPC, sir. Go to VPC. Go to VPC. Right. Go to VPC. Left hand section we have subnets, sir. Left hand section we have subnets. Yes, sir. Click on the subnets. Click on subnet. How we creating? When you creating subnet, we are not making public and private, sir. How we going to in route table? How we going to use that subnet? That matters. Route table internet gateway attach ಆದರೆ public ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Internet gateway attach ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ private ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. No. Select the VPC last week create ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ December 8 some VPC, right? VPC on December 8. Subnet name ಕೊಡಿ. Private subnet December 14 I'll give. Okay. Everybody should do, sir. Albert is on. You can give anything, 1 year, 1 week, anything you use. Okay. Now subnet range. Subnet range. Starting fixed, sir. 10.45 is fixed. Third one I'll give as a 78 for plus 0.24. Your wish you need to give. You should not give the same subnet what you given for public. 10.45 fix ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ನಂದು. ನಿಮ್ದು first 2 digit fix ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1 to 255 anything you can give, which you should not be used for public. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes, sir. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Create subnet. Click on create subnet, sir. All done? All done, sir? Done. Okay. Any confusion here? Please. Done. Okay. Done, sir. Go last. Save, sir. Go last. Done. Okay. I'll continue. Please don't discuss with your friends, sir. Done? Yes? No. If for the issue of creating subnet, please let me know. 40-30 minutes. No. Not give up. Then you should know last week also we done this thing. But first two, what the VPC given, first two will be fixed. Or third one you can be as per your bid 155. You know what that means. You're not practicing something anything. Not when public money lab. Public is a very country. Last class money lab. Abdana, please. There are subnet I created. Better will paste in the notepad. private subnet CIDR range for private subnet. Everything note down in notepad, sir. For not you required, but better I'll know it. For me, it's required. Okay. These are private subnet CIDR. Now, sir. Observe now. No, please observe. Please observe. You can help your friends later. Don't help your friends when we doing class, sir. Please. That you also lose the knowledge. Done right? Okay. Now we're going to route table. Click on route table, sir. Click on the route table. Click on create route table. We need to create a separate route table for private subnet. Click on create route table. Let's give the private route table December 14. VPC select ಮಾಡಿ. December 8 is a VPC. Yes, sir. Click on create route table. Click on the create route table. Done, sir. Here and done route table. Please observe here. Here and done is the route table. No. Now click on subnet association. This is the main thing. This is the main thing, sir. On the route table, click on the subnet association. Option idea. Click on edit subnet association. Select the private subnet today what you have created. Select the private subnet. Please observe here. Select the private subnet what you have created. Aita? Subnet associated? No. In the routes you can see, sir. In local VPC network bandirutte. Under routes. Yes or no? Okay. I'll stop at this point. People still who are not done. All have not done. Yeah. And if you're not done, you should ask me, sir. Done? Yeah, Last class subject Abdana, who having issue the click? Anybody? Issue with fix ಆಯ್ತಾ? Come back. And coming to concept, very important concept. This can be a part of the project. One project can only you can tell. Last class, this class, complete one project. Private server, private website launching. Correct, sir? Now we created a last class created VPC on public server, public subnet, everything. Today we created a subnet, we created a route table, we attached the private subnet. Now we need to test it now. We're going to create a, please observe, sir, 1 second. Last class you came, madam. No, then first you should do last class. People who are not done last class, doing this class, no use. They can't connect only. They cannot connect to the server only. Observe now. Now, first point, we need to create a new server by using this subnet. We create a new server by using this subnet. Avaga mobile system connect ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡೋಣ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Then we going to log into the first server. And that also under same VPC. Both under last class server, this class server, both under same VPC only. But that is public subnet. This is private subnet. Our public subnet ಆದ ಕಾರಣ mobile system connect ಆಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. Because we attach internet gateway. This one private server will not be able to connect to our internet. So we need to connect inside the home, inside network. So understanding the yes. Clear, sir? So first we are going to create a very concern. Tell sir, no issue. Yeah, question I'll be happy. Now go to EC2, click on launch instance. Let's mention it there. Number 4, your wish. Right, sir, the Set the AMI Amazon Linux 2 same only. AMI Amazon Linux 2, sir. Amazon Linux 2, second one. Drag down, keeper login, use the keeper which you have. What the keeper you want to use, that keeper. Don't say like I'm giving different keeper, don't feel like that. Aita, network settings is important, sir. Network setting is the most important. Network setting is the most important. You'll notice, sir, it's a select default VPC, you need to select December 8, what you created last time. Default of public subnet select agutte, but we need to create a server under private subnet. Correct? Select the drag here, you'll get a private subnet, select it. Aita? Autos and public IP, even enable, disable, no matter here. Even if you enable also, you're getting public IP, but you're not able to connect. For your verification, you're going to disable, I'm going to enable, but I try to connect by using public IP, I won't be able to connect. I think it won't come, sometimes it will come, sometimes it won't come. I try to connect, let's see. You need to give disable only. Other public subnet server create ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, you should give enable. Getting my point, sir? Understanding, right? You no need to give enable. Nothing, sir. Which one? Network setting, you need to select the VPC. Yes, sir. Observe now. You no need to give enable autos and public IP. You can be disable only. It should be disable only always. I am giving enable because After enabling also, you won't be able to connect. Clear, sir? Come back. Track down. Security group, sir. SSH is defaultly enabled. That's cool. No issue. Let me add the 80 also. 80 port also let it add it. Allow HTTP and the no. Then you need to add it. Add security group rule. Add security group rule. Click on add security group rule. Click on what happened? Think, sir. What happened? Correct. Auto assign public IP, let it be disabled only, sir. Correct. Yes, sir. Security group rule 22 port is already allowed. SSH. Yes, sir. Next, click on add security group rule. Click on add security group rule. Here you select HTTP. Select HTTP, sorry. HTTP. Select HTTP. Custom source only 0.0 code. In source you give 0.000. Select HTTP 0.00. 0.0 ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲದ ಎನಿವೇರ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ but better you give custom always ಆಯ್ತಾ then click on launch instance click on the launch instance sir source 0.000 yes sir anywhere also you can give who all created server confirm me then we proceed further anyone required help of creating server or private subnet please send me Come back. In the window. You make me to fall. I know. I know. Always people will go to Tirupati and they will do like this. Huh? Come back, sir, now. Come back here now. No. We got a private server. Please observe. Please observe. Please come back. Come back. Come back. Now. Ilnodi, sir. Let me open the. You no need to collect the details. I'll collect for my reference. I'll collect the details. Please observe, sir. I'll collect the details. You no need to do. Afterwards, we'll do. Private server, private IP. Public IP I got because you won't be getting public IP. You may disable, right? This is the private IP. This is the public IP, but no use. I'll show you. Don't worry. Next, I'll collect the VPC. VPC. Yes, sir. No delay. Please observe. Please observe. This is the private server, private subnet details. Correct. Now I'm going to collect the public server details. Please observe. Don't do. You no need to paste in notepad. For recording, when you watch the recording, it will be clear. So only I'm collecting my details so that you'll be clear, getting understanding clearly when you watch the recording. Correct? You don't need to do. Public server details. No delay. Last week ಮಾಡಿದ server. I'll open. Give me 1 minute. Public server. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ sir. This is the public server IP. IP. Public server IP. Public server, public IP ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ, private IP ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. Important thing is VPC for me. Because I need to prove you both are under same network, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ VPC, sorry, I've not taken VPC. Paste ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, 1 second. I'll go back to again private server. Private server. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. This is the private server IP under same network. This is the public server IP under the same network. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? This is the public server under the same network, same VPC. This is the private server under the same network. Getting sir? Now, I'm trying to connect the public server from the mobile system. It will work. I try to connect the private server, this IP. It should not work. That proves then how to connect this one. I'm going to, that is the demonstration for you. Clear sir? Complete last week and this week. Make a one project. To make a private server, first you start public. Correct sir? No, please. Observe now. First let me try. Afterwards you can try. Observe sir. You don't need to try public and all now. I need to show you, right? So only I'm taking. Please. We are for you people only private, but I need to justify. So I'm connecting once again. Please. These are public IP, sir. Public server, public IP. Connected. I'll do exit. Okay. Now again I'll go back to private server. This is my private server. Private server, public IP is another. This is a private server, public IP. This is a private server, private IP. Private server. You won't be getting public IP. Okay. In private server. Since I enabled that option, I'm getting. Even I enabled also, I should not be able to connect. That is the point. Now I'll try to connect. See, observe now. Yes, sir. If you want to more in detail, I'll give -B. B for almost. Again, public IP only, sir. You won't be getting public IP. Right, sir. I enable since I want to show you when you're getting public IP, you'll not be able to connect the private subnet servers. Clear? Correct? No. I'll try to connect the private IP also. Private IP is the actual testing. 10.45, sir. I noted down notepad. You can observe. Okay, I'll try to connect. It will not work. You can also try from mobile desktop. You can also try to connect the private server by using mobile desktop. You will not be able to connect. Private IP ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. That's the thing I'm telling you. The one thing you should be clear is the point when you are attending the weekend batches. I'm making clear if you are committed to attend the weekend batches regularly and practicing in the week and attend the weekend for any future thing. Commitment from your end. Coming one class, attending, not attending 3 classes, and in the weekdays you will be relaxing, not doing anything, not going to work. Mr. Chandrasekhar.
Yes, sir.
You want the empathy. You are teacher. Sir. Sorry, sir. Okay. You want that one?
No, sir.
I want mobile to connect agala. Sorry. So much. Sai pro mobile to What happened? And they don't. How much you have?
More than internet for class.
More than enough.
Yes, sir. Nice.
Correct.
Correct. I will ask questions from Yes, sir.
Come back now. Now, we are not able to connect the private server. Now, as I told you, private server will be able to connect only inside the network. Okay. Now, I connect to public server and I'm going to try. Instead of that one, another try also. You people don't need to try. I log into another server. I'm going to log into another server which is out of this VPC. Default VPC. I have another server. You don't need to try that one. Just try for recording. I am doing that. I'm going to connect to that server. Our server in the try marking connect. From internet also going to connect, not going to work. I'm going to connect to another server which is not under the same VPC. From that VPC, I try to connect the private network. That also it should not go. Correct? Then we'll come back to login. I'm going to. I already having, I think so. Default VPC on server will be there. Default VPC server. Not ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ sir. These are public server for default VPC server. ಇದು IP VPC ID ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. That is the main thing where we can differentiate. ಆಯ್ತಾ? AWS ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes sir. Correct? Now I'm going to connect to this server. ಇದು default first default VPC server. Connected. ಈ VPC ಇಂದ I'll try to connect private server. I'm not going to log in. I just want to take the SSH connection. But SSH iPhone ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ because it's not going to work. I know. Not going to work. Since I enabled the internet gateway in that server, it's going to. Why it's working? SSH connection. Why it's working? Because that is a public. If I restrict from there and not going to work. Getting my point, sir? Now, please observe now. Now I'm going to connect to the public server of the public December 8. Getting my point right? Correct, sir? From that one, it's going to work. Understanding my point, sir? Clear? Yes, no. Correct? From outside, it's not going to work. Correct? Now, I'm going to connect the public server of our VPC. Public server is this thing. Let it connect. Okay. Now, sir, I'll try to connect the private server of private IP. Going to work, but PEM key I need to give, that I not given. SI connection is successful. People who are not create a public server, they can't do. People who came on Sunday, who are not enabled password authentication, transfer PEM key, at least they can try up to this end. Who are not at all came on Sunday, they'll not be able to do anything. Okay. Now, I'm getting permission in a observe here. This step you already done. Please observe. Now, I got the public server of the server from the we have a subnet. We have created a new server under private. Both this server under the same VPC. This server under the same VPC. Correct or no, sir?
Yes.
That is clear, right? This server both under the same VPC. So inside the network. So what we need to do? We need to first, whenever you want to connect the private server, first we need to connect the public server of the same VPC. From there we need to connect. Allina connect ಮಾಡಾಗ you require PEM key. Correct? Since you are all using Windows laptop, we enable the password authentication in the search because since we require a PEM key to the public server. I need to have password authentication since I need to transfer PEM key to public server. So I need to have password authentication. After enabling password authentication, I logged into WinSCP, local laptop, PEM key na public server, move directory transfer. I no need to worry about that thing because I can directly use the SCP command. Laptop ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನ public server ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು sir. You are using Windows to Linux. I am using from Linux to Linux. So SCP command I can use directly. That's it. To transfer PEM key only, you done password authentication, WinSCP, everything. For me, single command will work now. First I'll conclude, then you can try. First I'll complete it. Getting my point, sir?
Yes.
Now, this is the public server IP. ನೋಡಿ sir ಇಲ್ಲಿ. This is the public server. If you want to note down the public server IP also, I'll note down here. 1 second. So you can differentiate easily. Public server. Public server the private irutte, that also mentioned better. So you won't get public server private IP. ನೋಡಿ sir. 10.45, 1.21. 10.45. ಎರಡು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? This proves also same matter. VPC also same. Correct, sir? No. So I'm already in the 10.45, 1.21. That is the public. Correct? I connected from mobile system. Mobile system is outside. To prove you again, now I'm in my laptop. Now I'm going to connect. This is the public server which I connected now. Now I need to transfer PEM key to first public server. That I not done it. First I'm going to do that one. Then I'm going to complete. Nan PEM key iradilli sir. My PEM key is December 14. This PEM key I created today. Don't confuse with this thing. PEM key, this laptop. This is my laptop. For this, you have what you done? WinSCP login again. Illinda drag and drop ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. For me, SCP command. For me, just SCP command will work. EC2-user. We need to mention. Okay, December 14. This is the key I want to transfer. EC2-user at the rate of public server IP. Public server IP. Yes, sir. Home. Transferred, sir. Correct? Correct, right? This you're done using WinSCP. Now I'm going to log into the public server. 10.45.21.21 ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ IP. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ I complete this thing, later you want to do, not now. SSH -9, what is the December 14.pem EC2-user @ private server private IP. Private server private IP. Yes sir. Connected. Outside is the connect agilla. Correct sir? Outside, from outside not got connected. From here it got connected. Understand sir? Correct? Now another one can have. Now some public server of the same VPC I connected a private server of same VPC. That correct. This doesn't require internet connection. Private server ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ? From outside it should not be able to connect, but server should be able to connect to internet. I told that point sir. Now the private server to connect private server you should be inside the network. That's the only matter. But doesn't mean that is what happens sir. Last step okay. Okay. 1 minute sir. One minute. Session become inactive. Don't know. See sir. Now connect a private server. Let's verify the internet connection. That is the main thing for me. Ping google.co.in. I'm not able to connect to internet. Yes sir, no. Private server in the correct. I not do install. Not working. Correct. Now privates are able to connect from public server. Doesn't mean that private server got the internet connection. ಅದೇ ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ gateway ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ enable ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. That is wrong. Then now complete our purpose got drop. Then how to give that one also I'll tell you. First you complete this thing. Come back to me. Then we'll do. First public server of same VPC should connect. From there you need to SSH-I PEMKey EC2- is a private server private IP. That's it. See here I got sir. M command didn't work. M command didn't work sir. Correct? Please do it sir. But to public server login again, same VPC. First connect to the public server of same VPC by using Baba XTEM. From there, SSH-I PEMKey transfer ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Home directory transfer ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ. Correct? Then EC2-user private server private IP. Ready? Once connected, let me know. First connect the public server, then connect to the private server from public server. PEMKey ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎನ್ಟಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. सर आप अल्ली where your thinking is there, go to that part.
So information demand as a book is not
One officer. Getting a permission, who are getting permission denied? Who are getting permission denied? I tell you, what the solution? People are getting accepted. Okay, who are getting permission? Please observe people. People who are getting permission. 1 second, sir. 1 second. People are getting permission denied. They need to give the permission for the PIM key CX mode 400. CX mode 400 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ PIM key ಕೊಡಿ. 1 second. I'll write the command here. First you need to give CX mode 400 ಆ PIM key. PIM file. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 100%. People are getting permission already. You are able to connect, but permission denied due to the permission issue of the file. That's right.
Yes, yes, yes. Friends, my space, EC2 user. Same here. Why that? That is like 5 unexpected. I was searching for 26, 25, sorry. Even create 26.
Done, sir? All done? Try to ping the google.com, google.co.in. You should not work.
Yes.
On private server. Ping google.co.in and install HTTP. It should not work. If it's working, then you are not connected to private server. Ping google.co.in. Ping command. You can try. Not on your computer. After that, ping google.co.in, sir, or install HTTP. Not working, right?
Yes.
Not working.
Yes, sir.
Not working, right? Not working. Not pinging, right? Control C code. Ping code ಮೇಲೆ control C code packet loss ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 100% packet loss ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? That confirm it is not able to reach. Getting my point, sir? You can try it. Now install HTTP ಕೊಡಿ sir. Please come back. Now do install HTTPD -y. This also should not work. Install HTTPD -y. This also should not work. Then complete console.
Yes, drag and drop the particulars. I want to practice.
Install HTTPD. HTTPD, that also should not work. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು Now, you want the issue? ಆ ಸರ್ವರಿಂದ ನೀವೇನ್ Okay, come back now. Last and final step. I need to provide, please observe. Please observe, please observe, please observe, please observe, please observe. Now, what the, okay. Come back here now. Now, please observe. Now, point is, we got through. Private server will not be able to connect over the internet. Private server will not be able to connect to other VPC. Private server will be able to connect only inside the VPC. Inside the same VPC means in the same network. Yes, sir. But I need to provide the internal connection to the private server. Outside in the connect agbardu, but server should be able to connect to outside for downloading packages. Yes or no? That how to achieve that we got to do. If you attach internal gateway from outside to server also able to connect, from inside to outside also able to connect. Yes or no? But that is not the, then it become public. Then it becomes the public server. Correct, sir? That how to achieve by using the concept NAT gateway. Internal gateway is going to provide the interconnection both sides. NAT gateway is going to provide a connection only from inside to out. We going to get a NAT gateway. We attach the NAT gateway to the route table. Then we go to use. Simple. 2 steps is going to do. Clear, sir? Let's complete this thing. Then left hand section, go to VPC. Go to VPC left hand section. In left hand, we'll getting an option called the NAT gateway. Go to VPC section. Manas Kumar, continue, please. He can't log in, sir. Then you no need to help now. You need to help later. You're able to connect. Sir, left hand section, you get a NAT gateway. Howda? Yes, sir. Click on NAT gateway. Click on, everyone should do, please. Click on create NAT gateway. NAT December 14. Okay, this is the point. Please observe, sir. NAT gateway should be public. But internal connection ge NAT gateway ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ internal gateway ಇಂದಾನೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. NAT gateway should be public. Once the attached NAT gateway is subnet, that become private. It should get internal connection, sir. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು private subnet create ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you won't get internal connection. Because public subnet have internal connection, sir. Private subnet doesn't have internal connection, sir. We are getting the internal connection from public. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಏನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ correct? Now, NAT gateway, we should give the internet connection. If you attach, select the NAT gateway under the private subnet internet connection illa, sir. There's no use of. First NAT gateway internet connection koda, so we need to select the public subnet. For last class ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ subnet, subnet. This should be public. Getting, sir? You also do it, me. Connection type should be public only. On elastic IP, click on allocate elastic because one IP need to be allocated for NAT gateway. What is elastic IP? I'm going to tell my next class. Click on allocate elastic, one IP will be assigned for it. Yes, sir. Then click on create NAT gateway. Who all done this thing? Kindly lift your hands, sir. Last bench, guys. Then Christian, then friends. Done, sir. Nidish. Do it, sir, first. No. Don't get it. Okay. 10 seconds, not teaching, but the thing. You are confused, that you are not practicing. One packet is here.
Yes, sir.
Close the people order. Aita, image squad. That's not. Yeah. Now, sir. Come back. Last step here. Any issues are now. Right? We attach the equate and NAT gateway now. Please observe now. Now we're going to attach this NAT gateway to the route table. Go to route tables, left hand section. Go to route table. Select the private route table, what we created today. Nilodi sir, this is important. Subnet associate ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? routes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? local VPC. ಅದೇ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 0.00 ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ವೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಡಿಟ್ routes ಕೊಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಎಡಿಟ್ routes. Click on add route. Click on add route. Add 0.0. Select the NAT gateway. Automatic NAT gateway ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬೈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್. NAT gateway single direction. From inside to outside, not from outside to inside. Select NAT gateway. Now I'll try, sir. Please observe. Last testing. 1 second. Please observe. Now I'm in the private server, sir. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ping ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. It's not working. Now I'll try, sir. It may take some minutes, some seconds. It may working already. Yes, sir. You have a doubt on my server, whether you're doing some public server. I show them my private IP. What is the private? 10.45.78.231. 10.45.78.231. I'll do m install. This also should work now. You do now. Asaita, this will become the very good project. How to connect access the private website. From outside, it should not be accessible. From inside the network. Getting my point, sir? Right. Sir, how? I want to see, sir. Show me. One of you and what are you like? You don't get talking for laptop is returns. Try to connect the server. Don't take like and then reimburse what ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರೀ MS ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ Who are downloaded packet can lift your hands up. Who are downloaded packet can lift your hand. Okay. Now we're going to launch a web page. We're going to create a web page. Install the HTTP packet. We're going to launch a web page, but this web page won't be accessible over internet. This web page access madake, we should go to public server access. This web page is accessible only inside my HCL office. Like that. Particular website, we can able to connect only inside the company. You will not be able to connect over the internet. Private website launch. This project can be a hosting a private website. Last class ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು public websites. It is able to it in Google IP it was coming. Today going to launching a private website. This could ಈ project ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ first you should complete VPC, public subnet, public route table, internet gateway, then private. Any my points, sir? Now, install ಆಯ್ತು. Now we start the service, sir. Before starting service, first we'll go to cd/var www.html. Go to this page, sir. cd/var www.html. Let's add a content. Go to this path. cd/var www.html. Everyone able to see, sir? Sagar. All done? No. Echo. Private server. Index.html. Echo private server greater than index.html. All done? No. Start the service. The service HTTPD. Restart or start anything. Service HTTPD restart or start. What, sir? Aita? Done, sir? Okay. Observe now. Observe now. We installed the package. We started a service. We launched a web page. We created what the content need to be displayed. Now, testing. Please observe, please observe, please observe. This is the private server IP. Nodili. One sec. I go to incognito tab. I try to open, sir. It will not open because I am accessing from outside. That website has been launched inside the network because that is a private server. The private server, it can't be accessed from outside. You can also try. Take the private IP, it in Google, it won't work. Go to Google and try it. Yes. Do not work. Done, sir. All right. Try, sir. Sagar, Giant. Any doubt? Should not work. Observe now. Now, as I told you, sir, this is a private server website. This is a private server website. As the private server only access only inside network. Website also will be inside network only. Correct? Please observe. Website also will be inside the network only. Now, how to test it? Now, observe now. We are in Linux, sir. Now, I mean, friends, please observe. First, I'll complete it. Please observe. I mean, friends, I'll exit, sir. I'll go to public server. No, 231 in the 78 lady. Okay, I mean easy to use. Now I came back to public server. Yes or no? Previously private server 78 231. Now I came back to public server. From here I try to access. wget and curl command we discussed. We are in Linux users, sir. We're not going to test by graphical. I'm going to test by the wget or curl command. HTTP, please observe. Private server IP. What is the private server IP? Private server. No delay. This proof working. It accessible only inside the network. It accessible only inside the network. You want to see the content of the website? Curl, HTTPD, HTTP. ಬಂತ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಂತ ಅದೇ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು. Yes sir. Correct. Go back to public server. Try wget of HTTP public private server IP. This proves 200 S1 ಬಂದ್ರೆ website is working fine. This is a very good, very secure project for your first project for AWS. For that, you should complete last class, this class. Right, sir? After doing this, you should practice, weekend back commitment from your end. Yeah, please. Keep that in mind. ಈ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ Got your side.
Switching to the private public to private. Degree in private exit.
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ It's really very difficult to use the laptop. Getting right, you need to install. Just give exit, sir. Just give exit. It goes back to public server. You need to give one time. If you are a root user, you need to give 2 times exit. If you are an EC2 user, you should give 1 time exit. One exit command ಕೊಟ್ರೆ one session back ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
It's a public service.
Don't speak, sir. 1 second. Don't speak, don't speak, don't speak. You should not go to the closer. Then you are not again. That's the person. I think it's done, Anushya. Done, Manoj Kumar. First bench, everyone done.
Yes, one. Yes, more. Yes, one more.
People have completed, you don't have any class. After this, can write down. Last one, can be sure with that. Like you know, of in public class.
Public.
Today.